Prime movers, not first but always fast mover. New innovation packing moving industry relocation world. Packers and Movers Delhi. The packers and movers are helping you to pack and move your belongings conveniently and most safely. While moving your belongings, all team members have been trained to maintain the highest level of safety and professionalism. Best professional packers and movers Delhi. Our team always brings the copy when they will meet you. All of our employees have been trained to deal with such situations and uphold the highest safety standards. Relocation Services Delhi. We can involve in handling the entire domestic relocation service. We ensure that disruption is kept to a minimum and that your business is not disrupted. Car Transport Services by Car Carrier Delhi. A vehicle to which you have many special memories and a vehicle that has always come to your rescue. We understand your requirements to move your car from one place to another without any scratches and damages. Bike Transport by Two-Wheeler Body Scooter Body Truck Delhi. Our company offers the motorcycle transportation service at significantly less value. If you're looking for transportation services in Pune, you've come to the right spot. Commercial and Household Goods Luggage Transport Services Delhi. Several luggage transporters provide luggage delivery and moving services in almost all Indian metro regions. We can use high-quality packing materials to protect your luggage from damage. Commercial Complex Office Factory Industrial Relocation Shifting Solution Delhi. We can use the best technique that your goods never damaged during the transportation. All of our employees have been trained to deal with such situations and uphold the highest safety standards. Local transporter services within city, interstate and intrastate transportation Delhi. We now have good choices to select the best one by their faster services. This business actively encourages persons with limitations to apply for the position since they provide transportation for them. Pet Relocation Services by Chartered Special Vehicle Delhi. The practice itself is fairly straightforward. A relocation agency typically picks up your pet at your home. Goods storage, warehousing and co-working spaces available Delhi. Warehousing is the process of storing physical inventory for sale or distribution. Warehouses are used by all different types of businesses. For local and international relocation services you can get the transportation service Indeed. Commercial Vehicle, Factories and Transit Insurance Delhi. If your primary focus is the transportation of people, consumer goods, equipment, or waste, then you're in the right place. This option gives the customer insurance for the damaged products during transportation and while packing. Contact us on shifting@cargo.in, www.cargo.in, Indian Prime Movers @gmail.com, and mobile number 9405410002.